What is up, guys? Just here with another video. So in this video I'm going to do a montage of me solving 2x2s. See which one's best, see which one is not. So I'm going to do the cheat and again 2x2. So yeah, so these are what I am doing. These two. I know, right? So this is going to be very awesome. So and I just started it. So let's mix this up with this one. Okay. Okay. Alright, here we go. Let's do the yellow side. Alright, not 9.5 for the first one. 9.580. Not bad, not bad. If I can't even know where that's at. So, alright, so now the cheese. So let's see. Alright, I see. The cheese is pretty slow, but we'll see. .553. Okay. Alright. Wow. I got 9 seconds on the first try on both of them. Not bad. Alright. Okay. Let's see here. So, let's do it again. Alright, this one's a bit trickier. And I think I ran over expected time, so I'm just gonna go. Oh, darn it. 10 seconds. Alright, it solves as you can see. Okay. Now let's see. So, alright, this isn't that bad. Five seconds. Let's go. As you can see, oh, the reflection now. 5.641. Alrighty, not bad, not bad. Okay, so let's start on this. Alright. Let's go, boys and girls. I got 4.344 seconds. And letting you know, guys, these are real scrambles. I'm using them off my poster in my room over there. And I swear these are real scrambles. So that is pretty freaking cool. Alright. Let's see here. Let's find a red. Boom, I found it. Alright, here we go. I'm ready. Okay. 10.5, not bad. Okay, let's mix this one up. Alright, let's mix both of them up. Oh, this is stuck. Okay, that's better. Alright, let's do the again first. Okay, this one might take a bit. 12 seconds. Oh, +2. No. This one doesn't have magnets, so it's harder, darn it. Alright. Alright, let's see. I stuttered there. Oh, I thought I was going to get 10 seconds when I looked at the timer. But this is not a +2. It is not more than 45. It was actually at the 45 mark. As you can see, it was just right here. See? But yeah. So 11 seconds on that. So, alright, we're going to do 3 more of each. And that should work out. Okay. Here we go. So, I think, yeah, so it's the Gans turn. Alright, let's see. Okay, boom. And I thought I got 2x2 parity, but still this time sucks. I got 15 seconds. That sucks. Okay then. Alright, we're doing the orange. 5. +2, no, 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 no. I literally got a +2, so that's 12 seconds. That is 12.25 seconds. Darn it. Alright, 2 more. 2 more, 2 more. Okay, here we go. Boom, boom, boom. Right. That doesn't. That's no way. Does that look, when I zoom in, does that actually look like it is a +2? Please comment down below. Because that looks like a 45-degree angle. That doesn't look like it's a +2. Okay, so. Alright, so. Let's see here. Okay, so when you look at it, you see the blue. So. Alright, I'm ready. Eight seconds, not that bad, not that bad. 1 more. Yeah, 8 seconds here. Yeah. If the reflection, the lighting, no. 8.629. Okay, gotcha. So boom. Okay, so this is the last one. I have to make this one good. Okay, let's see. So the orange, boom, found it. Found a solution. And I think I just messed up. Yep, messed up, darn it. 12 seconds. I was stuttering, as you could see, darn it. Thought I found a solution since I did color neutral. I did orange first, and that was color neutral, so that sucks. Alright. I'm not doing color neutral this time. And I got 2x2 Ortega, so let me fix that out. Yeah, this one's gonna be fat. Oh my gosh. I got 21 seconds. That sucks. But yeah, guys. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit that post notification bell to stay tuned on any other videos. And yeah, so thanks for watching. 2 more words. Tristerious out.